Here we are at Te Teko Racecourse in the Rangitaiki Plains. We're investigating the Whakatane graben, and we're here on site at Jawforce drill rig looking at a coring project. This is Rochelle Gardner. She's with the science team, geohydrologist, looking after this drilling project. So Rochelle, tell us what's the objective of this project?
The objective of this project is to add more wells into our monitoring network so we continue to watch quality and quantity through time. In addition, there's just some information that we'd like to add into our geological models of the area, specifically the Whakatane graben and Rangitaiki Plains. So this bore just gives us an opportunity to add there.
And what depth are you drilling to this bore?
So this bore here is currently at 410.8 metres. We did a mixture of mud rotary and coring, HQ coring, to get to that depth.
So Rochelle, tell us about this equipment and what it's measuring here.
So what we're doing here, this is a flow skid, and we are measuring the flow, artesian flow from the well through the flow skid. So at the moment we are sitting at about 0.16 litres per second. And then through here we'll be taking water quality samples as well as age water tests to send through to GNS and see what we've got going on in our well.
So Rochelle, what sort of geology have you encountered with the drilling?
So starting from the top, we went through a succession of marine and non-marine sediments, mostly sands and some gravels. At depth, what we did encounter were some ignimbrites that we have here. So these ignimbrites show a moderate to high fracturing, which you can see in some of the staining along the broken rock. So this formation is the Matahina.